Kungaloosh adventurers, and welcome to another TMR tour. I'm Stacy, and today let's go get some lunch at the Leaning Palm counter service within Disney's Typhoon Lagoon. Typhoon Lagoon is one of two of Disney's premier water parks, and they both feature counter service options. So if you're looking to spend the day at the water park, don't worry, you don't have to pack a lunch. Typhoon Lagoon has two counter service locations. The Leaning Palm does not offer seafood. So the first item that we tried is great for those picky eaters out there. It's just a plain burger and fries. While it's not featured on the menu, you do have to ask for it. They'd be happy to make it for you since everything's made to order. Next, we tried the cold chicken burrito, filled with great chicken and lots of flavor, and it comes with a side of chips that you can get salsa for right at the condiments bar. Last up, we tried the Adobo pork bowl. It's a really popular item here at the Leaning Palm, and it comes with a side of sweet plantains and pineapple salsa that really set off the flavor of the whole dish. Now let's get some dessert, and Typhoon Lagoon has something special featured here.
It's a sand pail.
So you're going to want to bring your appetite and definitely bring a friend to share that ice cream sundae. Typhoon Lagoon is a great place not just for the water park, but also for the food. And don't forget to wait your 30 minutes before you swim. Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world.
Kungaloosh.